welcome back to the channel here at halocybertruck.com. And we've got another package today from Yeslak. I know a few of you have probably seen some of our prior articles with them, so you probably can guess what is it that they're sending us today. And it turns out they're sending us some nice carbon fiber pieces. In fact, these are carbon fiber pieces that go here underneath the front bumper. So you see they have the typical adhesive pieces on the back where you peel off the red backing, expose the adhesive, and then we'll press that on. So I'm just doing like a little handheld test fit. It actually fits really well on this side. And then of course we have another piece over here for the other side. So one of the other things that you definitely want to do in a situation like this before you adhere these is that you want to get some of the adhesive promoter and clean up any of the plastic that you're going to have these to try to adhere to. So I'm going to pause for a second and go over, actually no wait, I think I know right where I put that. Sorry, the garage is a bit of a mess. I haven't had a chance to clear some things out, but I've got some adhesive promoter right here. So I'm going to open up this package, use this piece, wipe down the plastic and peel this off, and then get that piece fitted up and do the same over on the other side, and then come back and film an update. So stand by, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm taking out the adhesive promoter here. I'll fold this a little bit. Again, I think this is like isopropyl alcohol. Just trying to wipe this plastic down good. Now, I know some people are probably looking at this going, hey, those pieces aren't any good because like off-road, they just scrape right off, or I've got to remove them from off-road use. Well, I guess what's nice is the carbon fiber covers will come off with these pieces if you decide to remove them if you're going off-road. So, and I know people do that, and I know people who haven't done it, and then they've regretted it because they've ended up ripping these pieces off their Cybertruck. But, you know, the good news is you can always get another piece or two from Tesla. So I'm going to clean up both sides of these really well. Again, just trying to make sure that the adhesive promotes, or this promotes the adhesion of those pieces. Sorry, gotta learn my English today. It's a weekend. I'm supposed to be doing other things, but hey, playing with the Cybertruck and installing parts from fine sponsors like Yeslak, I'll do that any day of the week. So, and again, I do really want to thank Yeslak for sending these pieces for us to try out. They've really got some incredibly nice offerings, you know, not only in carbon fiber. I know I probably make it seem like they just do carbon fiber. They don't. They do a lot of things, and would invite you to go check out their website. Again, use our discount code if it's currently operational to help acquire whatever you might want for your Cybertruck. So, all right, I think I've got those pieces good and clean. I did remove the red plastic backing paper from those pieces, the adhesive pieces here. And you can see these are a little bit different pieces. They're kind of, pretty much opaque, kind of a gray opaque adhesive strip, as opposed to the ones on the interior parts tend to be clear. So maybe a little bit better piece there. So I'm going to carefully line that up because, you know, once you stick these things down, they really don't want to move. All right. And that lined up well on the bottom. There we go. So that piece is down. All right. That's good. No flex to that at all. Nothing's popping back up. And the whole piece is good. And again, if you decide to remove that piece by removing the clips and the inner fender well liner and just take that off, great. Your carbon fiber piece will come with it, and just leaving the rest of the bumper. So that's nice. It doesn't interfere with anything. So, all right, I'm going to pull the adhesive backing pieces off of the second piece and get this piece attached on that side. And then maybe I'll back the truck up out into the sunshine and see if we can't get a picture of those carbon fiber pieces exposed. Okay, a little final video here. You can see the piece attached down there below the bumper on the little wind deflector, and we can see we've got the one over on this side too. So again, they fit really well. They match up. They would come off if those pieces came off along with that. Again, gives it a nice kind of carbon fiber accent, which of course I'm going for a lot of carbon fiber on what's supposed to be a futuristic Halo Cybertruck. So I'll have to figure out some other things that I can do to get some carbon fiber into the mix. And speaking of which, we did have also from Yeslak in our prior article the trim pieces here that are on the tops of the doors. So if you haven't read that article, I would invite you to do so. And then last but not least, again, I would invite you to subscribe to our article, just our article blog. Simply put in your email and you can subscribe to that, as well as you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then anytime I'm posting new videos like this and or articles on the site, you'll get an email, and you'll be given a reminder to come check out whatever the new content is. So again, I'm Tesla Ken for the HaloCybertruck.com website. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. One other little quick follow-up item. You can see the new carbon fiber steering wheel, which I'm going to be posting an article on soon, that's through the windshield. But then you can also nicely see the carbon fiber frame backing piece that we put on, also from Yeslak, in a separate article available on the website. And sure enough, when you're standing outside the truck looking in, it's like, oh, I see some nice carbon fiber there. So that piece shows up more than I thought it would. And again, another excellent addition from the folks at Yeslak. Again, I'm Tesla Ken for the HaloCybertruck.com website. Stay tuned.